What's going on, guys? Welcome on back to Matt DIY. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not introducing a new project today. That'll be in next week's video. And big surprise, it's actually a Volvo, but it's going to be a daily driver for my wife that we picked up super cheap. Just has a couple issues. We got to rebuild it and get it back on the road. And I've actually never owned one of these before, so that should be fun. But that's not why you're here. You've seen the thumbnail and the title. So we, Matt DIY, I have partnered with Super Clean, teamed up with Super Clean to do a giveaway on the channel. So that's right. So one lucky person is going to get a bottle of Super Clean Degreaser and also a bottle of the aerosol Super Clean Degreaser. And we will send that out to one of you that comments down below. So there's a few things you got to do, guys. First of all, I cannot send anything to folks that are outside the United States. So I apologize for that. But as far as shipping is concerned, for this giveaway, we're just doing the lower 48 states of the USA. So if you're interested, guys, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below in this video, and you got to say two things. One, what brand of vehicle you'd like to see more of on the channel or continue more of on the channel. And number two, where you're located. Maybe city, state, just state's fine. That'd be cool. And then I will choose a randomly selected person to get a bottle of the Super Clean Degreaser and a bottle of the degreaser that comes in the aerosol can, both of which we tried out a couple videos ago in the Super Clean test. So they enjoy it. They teamed up with the channel and said, hey, would you like to do a giveaway? And I said, yep, that would be super cool. So that's what we're going to do, guys. So again, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what brand of vehicle you'd like to see or you like seeing on the channel, and also where you're from. And we will enter you in to win a bottle of degreaser and a bottle of aerosol degreaser that you can use for whatever at no cost to you, shipping or anything. You just have to be willing to give me your address so we can ship that out to you. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. A little bit abnormal video today, guys, but when the Super Clean folks said, hey, would you like to do a giveaway? I said that would be super cool, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to give some products to someone. And I like these products too, so it's not just like I'm giving away stuff I don't even use myself. These products I've been using recently here, and they work really, really well. So I'm happy to share them with one lucky winner out there. So again, drop the comment, brand of vehicle you'd like to see, where you're from. We'll randomly select one of you and work with you to get that shipped out with you to you if you're in the lower 48 states of the USA. So basically not Hawaii or Alaska. Other than that, that's about it for today. So we'll get that out to you. Guys, we will run this for about a week's time. Let's say from when this video is launched until the upload of the next video, the following Sunday at 12:30. So you've got a week. Drop a comment, and we will pick the winner after that 7 days is up. And we'll see. Hey, if nobody comments, we'll run a little bit longer. But hopefully some folks comment. Hopefully some folks see this video, and within 7 days we can choose a winner. That should make a nice smaller pool of folks. And we'll send some Super Clean out to one lucky winner. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you being here on Matt DIY. I love doing stuff like this. So if there's companies out there that want to sponsor with us, have us test out some products, things like that, I would be glad to do it, just like Super Clean. But to the folks at Super Clean, thanks for teaming up with the channel. Happy to send out some products to one of my viewers. I think they're going to enjoy them, and this will be fun to do. So guys, 7 days from when this video launches, drop your comments. I'll randomly select you, and we'll go from there, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good one. And remember to get out there and do it yourself.